How to find draft reels on Instagram. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to tap on our profile icon right here. And as you may know it, we will be able to see this reels icon right here. So we just have to click on that. And we will be able to see the drafts we have alongside with the reels that we have posted. So we just have to click on drafts right here and then click on this one. So we can now edit this reel. We can edit the cover or tag people on this reel. We can also add location or specify which audience we want to cater this reel to. We can also rename the audio, and we can pretty much do various things, like we didn't really disregard this reel or make this a draft. So in order for us to edit the video exactly is to click on this button right here, and now we can edit the reel as though we have never made it a draft reel. So once we're done, all we have to do is to click on this button right here and then click on share. So that's how to find draft reels on Instagram.